Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Wix website using AI. First, head over to your Wix dashboard. Click the drop-down arrow next to Create New Site. Then choose Use Wix Editor. Now, you'll see two options, Set up without chat or Start with chat. For a more tailored design, I'm going with Start with Chat. From here, just answer a few questions. Tell Wix what your site is about, what is the name of your shop, the products or services you offer, and what your goals are. If any questions doesn't apply to you, feel free to skip it. Once you're done, click Go to Dashboard. Now, on the upper right, click Design Site. Then select Generate a Design with AI. Wix will create a preview of your site in just a few minutes. If you're not quite satisfied, you can click Tweak Design and Wix will generate a fresh version for you. Once you find one you like, click Continue with this design. And that's it. You've now got a full website layout created by Wix AI, ready for you to customize and launch. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.